Ever wondered how WLAN configuration using WPA2 PSK works? Well, let's dive straight into it. WLAN, or Wireless Local Area Network, is essentially what provides us with wireless connectivity in a specific area like your home or office. Now, WPA2 PSK, which stands for Wi-Fi Protected Access to Pre-Shared Key, is a security method that's commonly used to protect these wireless networks. In the world of network engineering, configuring WLAN using WPA2 PSK is a fundamental skill. It's like the lock and key to your wireless network, ensuring that only those with the correct key can access your network. But it's not just about keeping unauthorized users out. The configuration process also involves optimizing your network for performance and reliability. So, whether you're a seasoned network engineer or a curious enthusiast, understanding how to configure WLAN using WPA2 PSK is a valuable knowledge to have. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to configure WLAN using WPA2 PSK. Before diving into the configuration process, it's crucial to understand what WLAN and WPA2 PSK are. Let's start with WLAN, an acronym for Wireless Local Area Network. In the simplest terms, a WLAN is a network that allows devices to connect and communicate wirelessly. Unlike a traditional local area network, LAN, that requires physical connections through cables, a WLAN provides flexibility and mobility, as devices can connect from anywhere within the network's range. This feature has made WLANs an integral part of modern homes, workplaces, and public spaces. Now let's talk security. When you're dealing with wireless connections, security is a big concern. That's where WPA2 PSK comes in. Wi-Fi Protected Access to Pre-Shared Key, or WPA2 PSK, is a security protocol designed to protect wireless networks. It's a critical upgrade from its predecessor, WPA, and provides stronger data protection by using a complex security mechanism. In essence, WPA2 PSK encrypts your data, ensuring that only authorized users can access it. The pre-shared key part of WPA2 PSK refers to a password that is set up in advance and is shared among the users. This key is used to authenticate each user before they can connect to the WLAN. It's like a secret handshake that your device and network use to recognize each other. It's important to note that while WPA2 PSK is widely used and offers robust security, it isn't foolproof. Cyber threats are always evolving, and no security protocol can offer 100% protection. Therefore, it's crucial to keep your network equipment updated and regularly change your pre-shared key to maintain the highest level of security. In the world of network engineering, understanding these concepts is essential. WLANs provide the backbone of our wireless connectivity, and WPA2 PSK helps keep our data secure. It's the perfect blend of convenience and security, allowing us to stay connected while protecting our information. Now that you have a basic understanding of WLAN and WPA2 PSK, let's move on to the configuration process. Ready to dive into the WLAN configuration process using WPA2 PSK? Here we go. The first step in configuring WLAN using WPA2 PSK is to access your router's graphical user interface, also known as the GUI. This is typically done by entering the router's IP address into a web browser. The router's IP address can usually be found on the bottom or back of the router. Once you've accessed the GUI, you'll need to find the wireless settings. This is often under a tab labeled Wireless, WLAN, or something similar. Here, you'll find the option to enable or disable your wireless network. Make sure it's enabled. The next step is to set your wireless network name, or SSID. This is the name that will be displayed when devices search for available networks. Choose a name that's unique and easily identifiable. Remember, this name will be visible to anyone within range of your network. Now it's time to set up the security for your network. This is where WPA2 PSK comes in. WPA2 stands for Wi-Fi Protected Access 2, and PSK stands for Pre-Shared Key. This is currently the most secure method for protecting your wireless network. In the security settings, select WPA2 PSK as the security type. You'll then be prompted to enter a pre-shared key. This will serve as the password for your network. Choose a strong, unique password that's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've entered your pre-shared key, you may also see options for encryption type. AS, which stands for Advanced Encryption Standard, is the most secure and recommended encryption type for WPA2 PSK. After setting your encryption type, you'll need to save your settings. There's usually a button at the bottom of the page labeled Save, Apply, or something similar. Click this button to save your changes. Your WLAN is now configured with WPA2 PSK. All devices connecting to your network will need to enter the pre-shared key you set earlier. This secures your network by preventing unauthorized access. But remember, configuring your WLAN with WPA2 PSK is just the first step in securing your network. Regularly updating your router's firmware, changing your pre-shared key periodically, and disabling WPS are all additional steps you can take to enhance your network's security. It's also worth noting that while WPA2 PSK is currently the most secure method for protecting your network, technology is constantly evolving. New security methods are being developed and existing ones are being improved. So keep an eye out for updates and always ensure your network is as secure as possible. And there you have it, a simple guide to configuring WLAN using WPA2 PSK. But wait, how does automation impact network management? Well, let's delve into that. Automation, as many of us know, is the use of technology to perform tasks without human intervention. In the context of network management, it refers to the employment of software to monitor, manage, and secure a network. So why do we need automation in network management? The answer lies in efficiency and accuracy. Networks are becoming increasingly complex and vast. Manually managing them is not only time-consuming, but also susceptible to errors. Now imagine configuring WLAN using WPA2 PSK for hundreds of devices. Sounds tedious, doesn't it? Automation can make this process more efficient and less prone to human error. Let's consider a scenario. You have to configure WLAN using WPA2 PSK on a large number of devices. Doing this manually, one device at a time, could take hours, if not days. But with automation, you can deploy configurations across multiple devices simultaneously. The time saved here is substantial. Moreover, automation can bring consistency to your network. With manual configuration, there's a chance of misconfiguration due to human error. However, automation ensures that the same correct configuration is applied across all devices. This can significantly reduce network downtime and improve security. Another advantage of automation is that it can free up your team's time for more strategic tasks. Instead of spending time on repetitive tasks, your team can focus on designing and implementing new network strategies. This can lead to more innovation and growth for your organization. Lastly, automation can provide valuable insights into your network. Automated tools can collect and analyze network data, helping you identify trends, potential issues, and areas for improvement. This can aid in proactive network management, allowing you to address issues before they become problems. So, as you can see, automation is a game changer in the world of network management. It brings efficiency, accuracy, consistency, and valuable insights, while freeing up your team for more strategic tasks. Embracing automation can lead to a more robust and resilient network, ready to meet the demands of today and tomorrow. As we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We dove deep into the world of WLAN configuration, exploring how to secure a wireless network using WPA2 PSK. We saw how this method is not only robust, but also user-friendly, with the GUI providing an intuitive platform for configuration. We also touched on the profound impact of automation on network management. Automation, as we discovered, is far from just a buzzword. It's a significant game changer that can streamline processes, increase efficiency, and reduce human error. It's clear that embracing automation is not an option, but a necessity for any network engineer who wants to stay ahead of the curve. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at WLAN configuration using WPA2 PSK and the transformative power of automation. Remember, the world of network engineering is ever evolving, and keeping up with the latest developments is key to staying relevant. Thank you for joining us in this enlightening journey through WLAN configuration using WPA2 PSK. Keep exploring and stay curious.